G'day! In today's video I'm going to show you how to get into the BIOS in the HP Victus. This particular model is a G3PQ. So what I'm going to do is hold down the shift key down here. Now this is just the surefire way to get in there. There are alternative ways to get there. But while holding shift I'm going to tell the computer to restart and just keep holding shift. Yes, there are different ways to get into the BIOS, but this I find to be the most foolproof way to get there. So now we'll wait for it to restart. And once it restarts, we should be greeted with a boot menu. Here we go. And from here, I'm going to go to Troubleshoot, Advanced, UEFI Firmware Settings. And when that restarts, we should be pretty much nearly at the BIOS from there. So from here we can go System Information, Diagnostics, but I want to go to BIOS Setup, which is F10. And there's really not much you can change here. You can view the model number, the board type, firmware revision, system log, TPM settings, which if you're using Windows 11, they will be enabled by default. And a few other different ones. Virtualization, you can tell it to have the fan always on, depending on what you have the action keys to do. USB charging, charging devices, battery remaining time, and not really much else at all. Boot options. I will change that to that for me. USB flash drive, as I'm about to reinstall Windows 11. And I'll go Save Changes and Exit. So that's one way to enter the BIOS on your HP Victus. Hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.